Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's time to share a new product from Wolfbox, and it is the perfect time for me to use this product. I am doing a little bit of work here, building a tote wall, doing attic access, and I have a mess. So here we have the brand new Superpower turbofan. This is the MegaFlow 200 from Wolfbox. So let's go ahead and we'll do a quick unboxing and we'll see how well this works. I just have so much dust everywhere. I'm trying to make this a nice garage, so I gotta get everything set up for all my tools. I need this, that way I can keep my tools nice and clean. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside here. It comes nicely packaged, and this is the instructions manual. It shows all the different nozzles that it comes with, all the buttons. This is like a quick guide. Air outlet, change battery button number 3. Here's your battery indicator, your charger cable, should be type C. Number 6, this is your gear indicator. That's like the speed level. Do not put air intake of this machine in contact with your hair. That is not something I would do, but just be careful if you have long hair. Wow. This is nice. This thing looks big. Oh, that's awesome. This thing looks huge. That is awesome. Let's just turn it on. Let's go to level 1. Level 2. Okay. And of course, level 3. Wow. Let's just test this out and see. It's on level 3. Wow. That is a lot of power. Definitely making a lot of dust in the garage, but all right, now that I've got dust everywhere in the garage, let's use this, clean off this tool. Let's check out the different fittings real quick. This comes with kind of a flat fitting, a little bit more pointy fitting. This one's more of a precise pointy fitting, which I want to try this one. That is crazy. That's a lot of power. I kind of want to see what compressed air would do. Let's turn this up. Let's go to 100 psi. I want to see a little bit of a difference. So that blows it around. This is setting 3. Battery's at 3. This is just as powerful as compressed air. That is awesome. I would say this is awesome. Perfect little tool to keep your tools nice and clean. Now I can spray off my tools, and then we'll do a little bit more testing on this. I want to see how it works, cleaning off the car, spraying off some water. This thing is nice though. And perfect opportunity to use this up playing on the rim in Payson, Arizona. Blow some of the dust out. It definitely works. You can also use this for some good household chores. Cleaning out the Roomba. Another thing you can use this for is cleaning out your computer. I was recommended to do this every 6 months, blow this guy out, and I have not done it yet. So it is very dusty. Here in the video, I wanted to show a little comparison versus the original MegaFlow 100. This is the MegaFlow 200. The MegaFlow 100 does not have a removable battery pack, so once this battery is dead, you do have to set it aside and charge it. With the MegaFlow 200, you can buy additional batteries. That way you can have them charging, USB-C and always ready. Easy to change out, kind of fun to change out, honestly. Size-wise, the MegaFlow 200 is just a little bit bigger. This is still a good, small, compact one, but this one's not too much bigger. One of the cool things about this one is you can set it down like that. This one you cannot. You can set it down that way. It could tip over. Most time you just set it down. This one you can set it anywhere and it is secure. So that is one thing that's very nice. Again, that removable battery feature, that is awesome. So let's take a look at the difference in weights. So the original one's 300 grams. The new one is 391. It doesn't feel like a big difference, although this one does feel a little bit heftier. In size of it, it feels better in your hands. This one's a little bit smaller. This feels more like a garage tool you'd be using. One of the other cool things about these little air dusters is you can use them to inflate air mattresses. Instead of having to get out a different compressor, you already just have your air duster, nice and portable, don't have to plug it into a 12-volt cigarette lighter, and it blows up the mattresses very fast. Just like that. And the battery did die on me, but it was already low. Been testing and using this all day. The alternatives to using this air duster would be a little gun like this that can blow this up. I've used this. It usually takes about, I don't know, 7 minutes to blow up this air mattress with this. I'd never recommend getting one of these mattress inflators. I'm not even going to mention the brand, because why would you want something that doesn't blow that hard, takes forever? You could just get an air duster that does it much faster. You can actually use to clean off stuff. But I'd say overall, this is a very useful tool to have. And after using it for a good couple of weeks, I would say I highly recommend this product from Wolfbox. Seems like a very good quality product. It is useful in all areas of life, whether you're camping, off-roading, or just simple home life. This is definitely a versatile tool, and I highly recommend it. Again, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.